G'day guys, welcome to the very first edition of the Carpark Kitchen with special guest, Manu.
What's up?
All right guys, so we're here today. You're probably wondering why we've got Manu here. It's because we're launching his beautiful range of sauces, bloody beautiful I may say. And Manu, can you tell me about your sauces? What makes them so special?
Well, firstly, I've got 3 different flavors. We're going to play with the red wine sauce today.
Okay.
But we've also got some mushroom sauce and peppercorn sauce. And the sauces, people might think that they're a packet sauce, but they're not a packet sauce. They're a sauce in a packet, which means it's a sauce made with love, real ingredients, no additive, no preservative, no sugar. There's no crap in it.
So what actually makes it a fresh sauce rather than a packet sauce?
Well, let's put it this way. If I was at home, I would have a little 1 liter pot. I would fry some onions, some garlic, put the thyme, for example, then the red wine reduce, then the stock reduce, and then a little bit of butter at the end.
Yeah.
But I've got a manufacturer that does that in 1,000 liters.
Yeah,
so
right.
we're not cutting corners. It's made the way I would do at home.
How much is the sauce, Manu?
It's $5 and it's a little patch of 150 grams, which is for 2, but generous too, because I don't want you guys to ask, where is the sauce?
Very good, because at the end of it, I actually had a little bowl left, and if I know it's good sauce, what do? I just pick it up and drink it.
Like a soup.
Yeah, very good. So, and that's exactly what I did. Claire's more of a lick. She licks
Yeah.
the plate, and she did that too. So
That's why you need to buy a beautiful loaf of bread as well, so you can clean the
very
plate.
good.
You know?
What are we? So we've got the red wine sauce today, and what are we going to do with the red wine
Well,
sauce?
you gave me a beautiful piece of Rump cap here.
Okay.
So I think, people are already scared about the fat, but the fat, that's what the flavor is.
Mate.
So I think we're going to keep the fat on.
Sure.
And teach people how to cook a steak on the barbie, because a lot of us men, you know, especially the Aussies, they like to put the barbie full blast and turn a steak 50 times before it's cooked. But it's pretty simple, and I think we're going to do those beautiful wild asparagus there.
Yeah.
I've got some shallots and some garlic and some olive oil. We're going to do a little side order with that, and then bring the sauce to boil and pour it over.
Okay,
Done.
let's do it.
All right.
Show us how to prepare this steak, mate.
Well, this steak is pretty much ready to portion, to be honest with you. You know what I mean? Which is great, because you buy the
whole cap.
You buy the whole cap, and all you need to do is cut some beautiful steaks. Now, you don't want to do something too thin.
No.
You know what I mean? Because
I like it nice and thick.
Yeah, nice and thick, and then you can caramelize each side of the steak and render the fat.
When you do render it, will you hold it face like the fat side down with the tongs?
I do that first.
Okay,
yeah.
beautiful.
All right. So about an inch.
Okay. Like butter.
Look at that. So this is a beautiful piece of meat. Again, if you're scared about the fat, you can, trim it, I suppose, but we like the fat.
Yeah, I love the fat.
Good. So we do a steak each, shall we?
Yeah, steak each, please.
All right. We're going to drizzle a bit of olive oil on this, just to get the salt and pepper to stick on it.
Are you a seasoned first sort of guy?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Definitely. So a little.
I see you avoided the oil right on the top of the fat. Are you leaving that sort of not much oil on there?
Yeah, because the fat is oily as well.
Yeah,
it's fatty, so you don't need to. I don't want the flame from the barbie to come and burn it as well.
Very good.
All right, so you've got to be generous with the salt. People are scared to use salt.
Don't be scared.
But don't be scared, because it does give you the nice crust, that caramelization that makes it crunchy on the outside, you know what I'm saying? And especially on the fat side as well.
You're gonna treat it like crackling on the fat side?
I'd like to think so, yes. All right.
Amazing.
All right. And peppercorn. Fresh cracked pepper is good. I think we've got this barbecue quite hot now.
You've got that at full flame, or?
Yeah, so I'm going to reduce it to medium.
Okay, sure.
All right. Again, it's better to give it a good sear at the beginning, but it needs to cool down a little bit so it doesn't cook it too quickly.
Okay.
You know
You're going to treat it nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Treat it with respect. It's a beautiful piece of meat. There you go. So shall we go?
Yeah, let's go.
So as I say, there's not much oil on there, but I think the fat will do its job. I think you see a little steak like this on a brand new barbecue looks amazing.
I bought this just for you.
Thank you so much. So you've got to be careful. that fat's going to render.
Sure.
Obviously, you may drop on the flame and then the flame comes up, then
Yep.
it gives you a really bad taste on
Okay,
it.
sure.
So make sure you keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
The sauce you can, I'd like to put in a pot and bring it to boil, and
Sure.
it takes only a couple of minutes.
Sure.
You don't need to reduce it at all.
Sure.
It's just bring it to boil and pour. Some people may not have a stove,
Yeah.
a microwave.
Microwave.
I'm not a big fan of it.
Is it more the theatre of it that you like it on the stove, or you think it actually adds to the flavour?
It's you've got more control of it.
Sure.
This is we've tried this in the microwave. It goes 90 seconds.
Okay.
A minute and a half. But I just don't like cooking things in
no,
plastic.
nor do I.
You know, if I could actually change the packaging to something else, I would. And I
Okay.
can't wait for something to come out in
Perfect.
the market. So
Maybe some bamboo packaging guys out there.
exactly. All right. So here we go. I'm just gonna squeeze.
Get every last drop out.
Last drop out.
Beautiful.
So it's a nice deep color. We use Shiraz or Cab Sav
Okay.
to make this sauce. It needs to be nice and
Australian wine?
yes, of
Yeah.
course, mate. Of course. So I'm going to put this sauce on the barbecue, just warm up gently
Okay.
while we use the pan to do those beautiful.
They've just started the wild asparagus.
They
They're
just
sensational.
started, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and
Fresh,
tender, yeah. Beautiful. All right. So I'm just going to cut.
I don't know. if
Just
I've
going to
eaten
cut
it.
the end of it. You good?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's heating up. All right. So what I do is I put about 2 minutes on one side,
Sure.
2 minutes on the other.
Sure.
Then I'm turning a quarter and 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the
Okay,
other.
so 4 turns.
Yeah, no, 2 turns.
2 turns.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We had a little bit of a debacle with the induction.
Yeah, I don't believe the induction anymore. I'm going to believe the barbecue, mate.
Let's do it.
So I'm going to put the pan on the barbie just to heat up,
Sure.
and I'm also going to put those on the barbie to give it a nice little char. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm
We're going to
just-
lose any through the grill, or we're going to be all right?
No, it's all right, mate.
Okay, very good.
I'm a professional. Just give them a little bit of oil. Bit more than that. And then I'll just saute them lastly in the garlic and the shallots after.
They'll only
as
take
a-
a sec, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, perfect.
Right.
This beautiful garlic's just growing down the road in Sydney.
All right, look at that.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Good. Is that from Sydney?
yeah. Horsley Park is sensational. You can use the whole stem like a shallot,
Yep.
and it's awesome. Like I love this
Oh my
sort
God,
of
it
stuff.
smells so fresh, so
Yeah.
delicious. Fabulous. So why are we doing this today for, mate? Hey?
So, ladies and gentlemen, I have to say we have got a bang-on competition coming to you. Manu has volunteered his time for every sauce that you buy. You go into the running to have lunch with, cooked by the man himself,
Yeah.
Manu. You can bring a friend. 4 of you are going to win, so that's 8 in total with lunch cooked by Manu, attended by myself and you. For every sauce that you buy in the next 8 weeks, you get 1 entry into the draw. So it's $5 to win lunch with Manu. It sounds pretty bloody good.
That's cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap.
Mate, you know, people are paying thousands to have dinner with me.
Basically, I would just be chucking all sauces on the recurring orders, one a week, and just, we'll show you how to cook them. We'll show you what to pair with them, and then you get lunch with Manu. And obviously, I'm a sidekick, but I'll be there too.
You'll come and do the washing up.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
I'll be the dish pig. Excellent.
Hup.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna also add some butter that I made with pepper soya butter.
Oh, beautiful. My favorite butter, cultured butter here made in Sydney.
All right, so I'm just gonna melt that in because everything tastes better with butter as well.
Everything tastes better with butter.
One thing that's important when you're cooking a steak,
Yes.
when it's been cooked,
Sure.
rest it.
Sure.
All right. The resting is because you've been stressing the meat on a high heat,
Yeah.
and it's just really like tight, like a tight muscle, you know.
Yeah.
And then if you rest it, suddenly it just kind of relaxes, and all the juices, instead of escaping, they're staying in, and that's the flavor and that's the tenderness
Sure.
of the
I
steak.
saw you've rested up on the, is there any worries with resting up here, or that's okay?
No, it needs to rest in a warm place, and I
Sure.
think that the shelf is exactly what that's for.
Okay, perfect.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those asparagus in the pan, and I'm going to season everything.
Oof. Mate, that looks sensational.
You know what I love coming here for today is
Why?
I didn't have to go shopping. You know? I went to your warehouse, I picked what I wanted, and here we go.
How'd you find yourself in that cool room in there?
It's giant, isn't it? Just a bit of seasoning.
Very good. Oh, nice.
Actually,
Murray River salt flakes that are right there.
Yeah. A bit of pepper, of course.
Can you come back tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. I can cook lunch for the staff, and I.
Beautiful.
Look at that. So that's
Only if they buy a sauce, right?
that's right. There you go. So we're gonna wait for the butter to melt.
Sure.
Our sauce.
Oh,
So it's pretty much there.
Yeah.
You know. Finger licking good.
Yeah.
You know, I've been working really hard on the sauce to make sure that it's the product that I would cook. So you can taste all the ingredients in there, and the wine is very important. You need to have a good acidity, and especially when you eat a piece of meat that's got a bit of fat in it, it really complements
Cuts
it.
through.
Yeah,
How
definitely.
did you come up with the idea originally to launch the sauce range? Was it?
You know, it's 11 years on my kitchen rules, saying where's the sauce, begging for sauce. I thought maybe I should do my own sauce range and help people to actually eat better and being able to pour a sauce on their protein like chicken, pork, lamb, and so on. So
maybe if some of the contestants used your sauce, they might have won.
Exactly. And you know, they could have actually said nothing, just up.
Who needs my kitchen rules when you got Jaeger's Carpark kitchen and this dish that Manu's cooked right here?
Exactly. Nobody. All right.
Beautiful, mate.
They're good, huh?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna plate up the steaks. I'm gonna pour the sauce over.
You need me to do anything for you?
Nah, I want you to enjoy yourself, my friend.
Sit here, pretty, look good, pretending I'm having lunch with Manu after I bought one of the sauces. My name's Julie. I've got sauce all over my face. I've got a glass of wine in my hand with my friend Belinda, and we're just enjoying ourselves with Manu just whipping up this meal. Look at it and go.
Okay. You know, food doesn't have to be complicated to be good. All right? People think that fine dining is the way to go.
Sure.
It doesn't have to. You ready?
Oh, it looks beautiful, mate. Look at that. Oh, that looks awesome.
Just a little bit of this, just a little bit of that, like this. All right. I'm a bit messy, but
that's all right. Now, that looks pretty fine dining to me, my friend.
There you go.
Do I get to go?
We get to go. You go first.
Okay.
You tell me what you think.
Well, I'm going to go this piece.
You go for the big piece, don't you?
I always like it like that.
All right.
All right.
Oh, mate, you've got a big mouth as well, mate.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
So tell me, I mean, the meat, we know it's good quality, but I want you to be me on MK and tell me what you think of the sauce.
Well, I think it's bloody awesome. It's just, it's not that, it's beautiful. It's mate, you can taste the raw ingredients, you can taste the wine, you can taste it's unbelievable actually. How do I say bloody awesome in French?
I don't speak French, mate. I'm not French.
No?
I'm
on the Miguel thing.
C'est excellent.
C'est excellent. No?
I'm going to have to teach you to speak French, my friend.
I thought you spoke Spanish.
Yes, sometimes.
I'm going back for more.
So to recap,
Sure.
we get delivery from Delish Deliveries, get all your goods, get a packet of sauce, which make you enter the competition.
So guys, jump on board. The competition starts today. Probably grab 3 sauces, makes you 3 times more likely to be in the running to have lunch cooked by my man Manu. Thanks, Manu. We'll see you soon in the car park kitchen.
See you.